Hello dear knitters, welcome back to my knitting tutorial channel. This video is about bead joining. In this video I want to show you two different ways how to join beads during the knitting. Here you can see two models of my baby set, which is called Lotus flower, and in this lesson I will use the same pattern. Okay, let's start. For the lesson we need a piece of wool yarn, a pair of needles, and a couple of wooden beads. Moreover, we will use also a hook. Mine is number 2, but the number is not very important because the most important thing is that it have pass easily through the hole. Okay, let's start. As you see, I have already worked at first 8 rows of the pattern, and in the 9th I have to join a bead. I need to do it at the middle of that here, in the center between those two parts. Okay, this method is a bit complicated because you need to join all the beads you are going to use in your knitting project at the beginning. So you need to place all the beads on work yarn at the beginning of your knitting project. That's why it's a bit more difficult, because if you will need to use more beads, you will be unable to do it only at the moment when you need to add, for example, another yarn skein, another piece of yarn. So as you see, I have here a wooden bead on my work yarn. Okay, stop to speak and let's start our work. Okay, so I need to knit first few stitches till the one where I need to join a bead. Okay, so now here I have to join a bead. I take my one bead that I placed before on my work yarn, and I just slip the next stitch. I don't work it, I don't knit it, I just slip it from the left side, from the left needle to the right one. Okay, then I move back the work yarn on the wrong side and knit all the stitches. Okay, to the row end. Actually, if you use another pattern, you need to work according to the pattern. Okay. As you see, the bead is joined here. Now I want to work another row to show you how it will look on the wrong side. Okay, according to my pattern, I need to pull all the stitches till the end of row. Okay, that stitch, the slipped one, I just pull it. Okay, here. Okay, the bead is joined. Okay, I leave you for a while and come back later to show you the second way of the bead joining. See you soon. Here I am. I have back. As you see, I finished. I made another 8 rows of the pattern, and again I need to join in the next row. I need to join another wooden bead here in that place. According to my pattern, I need to knit 12 stitches. And I do it till the central one, where I need to join a bead. Okay, here's that stitch, and I take a hook, place a wooden bead on it like this, As you see, it passes easily. And now I need to pass a stitch through the wooden bead very carefully, because the hook is very little and it's not easy to pass it, because having a very big wool yarn, it's a bit difficult, so you need to pay attention. Okay, oops. Okay, so now when I have that stitch with the bead, I just need to knit it. Okay, then I finished this row, knitting all the stitches till the end. Again, as at the previous time, I will work another row to show you the difference between those two ways, those two methods. So as in the previous way, I just pull that stitch. You work it according to your pattern if you use another one. Okay, now you can see those beads are joined, but on wrong side they look in the different ways. This one is visible, while the another one is invisible on the wrong side. But I want to remind you that in the first way you need to know the right amount of beads you are going to use in your pattern, or you will face difficulties during the knitting. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope that you will find this video very helpful and useful. If you will have any question, you can easily write to me a private message in social networks. See you next time. Best wishes and bye.